Sometimes, writer's mood varies. Sometimes when you're in the mood and inspired, you think and finish what you're writing quickly. Sometimes no matter what you do, you can't get the moment you want. You don't finish anything. We need motivation to relax our body and mind, because even the brain gets tired. Like a battery needing to recharge to function and be useful. Sometimes we need to go out with our family to be inspired by the things around us.
Sagmamano nga dayta nang? Ay sa nga pulot may isa? Dikot dayta?
Dikot, gusto. Dami 215 na na.
Naimas mo tla dayta nang?
Ay, asking na mga anak nga rin. Dato pala ito. Mabisila ko na.
Alam nyo amin dayta nga rin. Thank you.
Nature is also a great help for us to get rid of the negativity that ruins our minds. Because nature was created for humans, of course.
Dalawang medium, isang almond. Oo.
Ni mama?
Tsaka isang halo-halo.
Shell! Wow, shell! What's that? Shell? It feels so good knowing that I can write well, not just for compliments, but also to inspire and share good thoughts with those who listen and follow the works you have worked hard and thought about. For me, being a good writer is not based on the quantity of scripts written, but on the depth of the story I want to convey to the listener or reader. The depth that reaches the minds and hearts of the audience. That's why I always choose quality over quantity.